London Biggin Hill becomes latest airport to deploy Altitude Angels Guardian UTM Enterprise. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. This week, UTM, Unified Traffic Management, leader Altitude Angel revealed that London Biggin Hill has become the most recent airport to make use of its proprietary Guardian UTM Enterprise platform. The platform, launched in March 2021, offers airports and airfields an intuitive and affordable way to manage on- and off-site drone operations. London's premier business aviation airport, London Biggin Hill houses over 70 resident aviation businesses and provides VIP handling, a choice of FBOs, extensive hangarage, support and maintenance services for all ranges of business jets. Guardian UTM Enterprise will grant Biggin Hill access to a comprehensive view of the airspace in and around its FRZ, Flight Restriction Zone, which will allow the airport to begin designing and offering UTM services for drone companies and drone operators, leveraging Altitude Angel's proven digital authorization and flight management technology. Biggin Hill has a special place in the history of aviation, and Altitude Angel is incredibly proud to be part of a new chapter in the airfield's continued development, said Kareem Koslet, Altitude Angel, Regional Sales and Partner Manager. The drone and urban air mobility industries will be part of a new generation of aviators to use Biggin Hill and take advantage of its proximity to central London. Altitude Angel's intuitive user interface provides real-time information to improve situational awareness whilst ensuring the aerodrome is fully safeguarded from risks faced to aircraft, said Ben Spears, Head of Safety and Compliance at London Biggin Hill Airport. The product ensures continuity throughout the drone community, making it easier to fly and obtaining the required approvals when operating in aerodromes' flight-restricted zones. Read more commercial drone news at dronelife.com.